Today we will look at how to turn Scratch to a drawing board. Let's delete the cat. We will paint a sprite, but we're not drawing anything. Just leave it empty, and we call this paint. With green flag clicked, forever, I will always follow the mouse pointer. If mouse down, I will do pen down, okay, but we need to add pen first. So I'll do pen down. Mouse up, I'll do pen up. Okay, let's try this. So I can draw here. When I stop, if I want to draw again, I need to erase this first. So I'll add erase all. Then I can start drawing. Of course, we want to draw using different colors. So we will add more sprites. Let's paint another one. And remember how to draw a square? You can hold down Shift and just draw here. It will be a square. Let's remove the outline. For the first color, I want it to be red color. So I'll change everything to red. Okay, let's make it smaller. Drag it down below. Maybe -200 and -160. Okay, now let's look at the code for this red color. Change its name to red. When green flag clicked, with the mouse over, we want to show that the mouse is over. So we will do a forever if else. If I'm touching mouse pointer, I will set my brightness to 50. Otherwise, I will set my brightness to 0. Okay, let's try. Click. You can see when your mouse over, the color changes. The other thing we want to do is when this sprite is clicked, we want to change the pen color to red. When this sprite clicked, okay, we can try to do this first. Change pen color. Okay, I'm going to use pick color to the red. But remember, it's still running, so stop this so we can get the red color and do this. Now let's try whether this works. If I go back to pen, okay, start the game, pick the color. If I draw, you can see it's still blue color, it's not red color. That's because the change pen color is done for this sprite, not for all the sprites. So we need to create a variable. I call it color. And this variable has to be for all sprites. So whenever you change the color, all sprites will know. Instead of set the pen color, I will do set color to red. Now go back to the pen. We'll add an if. If color equal to red, I will set pen color to red. Okay, remember here, we also need to pick the color. Oh, we forgot to stop the game. When you forget to stop the game and you pick the color, you won't get the red color. So stop the game, pick the red color. Okay, now let's try again. So now I'm using blue, pick the red color, they will change to red color. Okay, so this is the correct code. Now go back to the red color. We want to have many colors, so let's duplicate this. We want to arrange it nicely. So the first color is -200, -160. Second color, I will put it -150, -160. Now we need to change the colors. First one is red. Second color, we will change it to green color. We will set this to green. And remember to go to the costume, select this square and change it to green color. That's the second one. And the next color, I'll change it to yellow. Change the color to yellow. And remember to change the code to yellow. Okay, so now we have changed all the colors and their code. Let's go to the code for the pen. This is when the color is red, so we need to duplicate this. Okay, and we need to have 9 copies of this. We put 4 of them together and duplicate these 4 together. Plus the original one, we have 9. Okay, so we just need to change green color and we're going to stop the game. We're going to pick the color green. Okay, yellow, and we're going to pick the color yellow. I don't want to display this color here. Let's go to variables and select this. Now this whole Scratch project become a drawing board.